Hi there, this is practice problems 1. So I just want to give you a couple of tips in case you're struggling with these, and then the solutions, not the solutions, but the answers. And hopefully you'll be able to work out the solutions. And if you're struggling with these, just let me know. I can help you out either through email or videos or however is easiest for you. But a couple of tips here. Problem number 1, today is Jayla's birthday. She is 5 years old. At some time in the future, Logan will have his 48th birthday. At that time, Logan will be 4 times as old as Jayla. How old is Logan now? And so the quickest way to take a look at this is to organize what you've got going on. So you have 2 people. You have Jayla and you have Logan. And then you have 2 time periods. You have now and in the future. And so then I have 4 spots that I can fill in here, and I have relationships between this information, okay? So the first thing I know for sure is that, actually, I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to let you guys fill that in. What should happen is that you should end up finding out. It says, how old is Logan now? Logan is 41 now. How many years pass between now and when Logan is 48? That would be 7 years pass. Okay, so those are the 2 solutions that you should get when you solve this one. Okay. Number 2, Jamin has 45 baseball cards in his collection, and Mukti has 9 baseball cards in her collection. Write a statement comparing Jamin's and Mukti's baseball cards additively. So if you're comparing them additively, that means that we are using words like more or less, right? Greater than, fewer than. Less than, those kinds of words, right? In part B, when you're comparing them multiplicatively, you can use a lot of things here. The ratio of, times as many, as, the for every language, for every this, then that, right? So for every 2 that Mukti has, Jamin has 5. Words like that. Those are kinds of things that you're going to use for that one. Okay. Number 3, 8 liters of blue paint and 2 liters of yellow paint are used to make green paint. How much more blue paint than yellow paint is being used? Okay. And are you comparing the amount of paint additively or multiplicatively? I'm just going to point out quickly that the key word here you're looking at in this one would be the use of the word more. Okay, think about what we said, language that relates to. Down here, the amount of blue paint is blank times the amount of yellow paint in the mixture. Are you comparing them paint additively or multiplicatively? Again, this word times is going to kind of indicate which way you want to go there. And that's the end of our practice problems. So there's a couple of tips and the answers here. Let's see. I'm actually not going to give you answers on the 2 and 3 because they are relatively straightforward given what's going on here. If you're not sure, I can definitely help you out, kind of pointing you in the right direction on how to get those, but there's not a lot of solution in between starting and answers. So I'm going to let you guys work on those.